How to edit weight in Zepp Life application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can edit weight in Zepp Life application, or initially known as MI Feed application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Here, you can manually edit your weight in the Zepp Life application. For that, you have to open up the application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So when you open your Zepp Life application, you have to scroll down on your home page, and at the very end, you will see the weight section. In order to edit it, tap on weight. Once you land on your weight space, now to change or edit your weight, navigate to the bottom of this interface. There is an option to add weight. Tap on it. Now, with the help of this slider, you can edit your preferred weight. Select the weight that you want to edit. Once done, tap and save at the bottom right corner. And with that, now your weight is changed. And that's how you can edit weight in Zepp Life application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.